I try to take care of a lot of my job and my relationship with Freelance North America because it has been the sustain of my family and the sustain of my future. Well, my name is Rafael Contreras. I'm the legal services manager at Menendez Law Firm. Our firm manages several types of matters, including estate planning, tax defense, and real estate transactions. Well, I used to work in a legal department of a bank. I was only focused on having that type of work and to gain more experience in the bank area. However, I applied for Freelance Latin America a while ago, and once I received being the candidate for this position, I was trying to avoid it because I already had a job. But I have a friend, he thought I was the perfect fit for this position. I didn't realize about that until I was in the interview. I had something to give to the firm. I'm really thankful to that friend because it has been quite a great experience. The first one will be going from a stage when I don't know any of the law in the Florida state to a place that I pretty much comparing both law, Venezuelan and United States law, because it's always different. The laws change from state, from countries, but it has the same needs, that is to rule the transaction, use how the people are getting each other, focusing on those type of points to understand how the system works and how we can help our clients has been the key. And it took me a while to realize about that, and something I had been applying since then. The second one was that we don't even have the role of a manager, including the firm. And after I started as a coordinator, more like 2 years later, I was considered to be the manager, and I gained the opportunity to be one since a year ago. Well, I feel a lot comfortable doing my daily work. I get to manage a lot of my duties in my house affair even, and spend more time with my daughter, which I highly value. Since then, we have been having more benefits, even for a 4 days work. That is a program that we have in the firm. So I'm really happy that I get to work this way, and to see how I used to do it to this day is being quite a change. More than gaining another role, or that it will be that how I resolve specific issues that we have in the firm. When I realize that there is something complicated in the firm, my boss has a issue that he wants me to resolve. That is really complicated, and not even the attorney can resolve it, and I can do it, or I managed to do it. There was one that took me a year to do it. It was with the IRS. We finally resolved that. I was truly pleased because I did that. I accomplished something that not even the attorney was able to do it, and just having the knowledge that I gained through that process, it was amazing. Yes, it has been plenty, because sometimes some clients have the judgment about you living in another country or have certain accent, but showing them how you can help them cover the needs that they have with the process and with your help has been the key to passing from matter to matters, having successful results. Even for some clients that we have been so difficult, because remember, in the probate process, they lost a relative. They have been in sorrow for quite a time, and they come to us to resolve this issue. So they will be difficult at first. Sometimes I have this difficult client and I have them a training for the next difficult client has been the key to overcome all the issues that we have in the firm. Even transform those clients, those bad clients or complicated clients, to good clients at the end. A lot. I try to take care of a lot of my job and my relationship with Freelance North America because it has been the sustain of my family and the sustain of my future and my current projects. gain more specific knowledge and more train to manage more in the taxes area. That is the one that I like the most, and in the real estate area more than I already have.